What's up, guys? Ripping a box. 16-17 iMac NBA here from Michael G. Good luck, Michael. See what you got, man. Here we go. All right. Monster on top. Monster on top. Unreal. Rookie /99, Ben Simmons. Boom!
Nice.
Huge card, Michael G. Right on top, man. 96/99. Sick card. Huge card. Congrats, man. We'll mag that, baby. Jersey card after that is Ricky Rubio. After that is Jumbo Jersey, Giannis Antetokounmpo. Patch Auto, Justin Holiday, number /25. With a little smudge on the auto there. Acetate, on-card auto, number /50. Juan Hernangomez. And the last hit's sick as well, man. And dual on-card auto. That is the 49. John Stockton, George Hill. Nice. Way to go, man. That Simmons is huge. Congrats, Michael. Way to go, man.